Good evening, good day, good morning, wherever you are. This has been really a long time ago that I have been streaming New York PM session. So, my apologies for all. I couldn't stream London because of a power outage. Tomorrow will be again a planned power outage on top of the water issue. So, I haven't been without water a week now. Tomorrow. So it's very stressful. But yeah, let's see if we can get a trade. Today was a 10-year bond auction besides CPI. Always a little bit struggling for me, so I was very careful. I did take a trade. It didn't go to my levels, which were all the way below the low where we reversed back from. Yeah, let's have a look. um, I don't think it will be busy today. How's it going, guys? Anyone trade today? Yeah. So I was actually aiming for this area here. I didn't reach it. So I don't know if we're gonna go there maybe later today after we go a little bit higher and then go back lower again, or we're just gonna go all the way up to 30,000. I was looking at that in the morning as well. Let's have a look. I might be a bit careful because I'm a little bit overwhelmed with all the issues. Water, no power, no water. To get tomorrow again, no power on top of the water issue. The water issue is going to most likely take another week, which is very stressful. So, um, yeah, life gets in the way sometimes, right? But yeah, okay, my Hola Prime account. I am. I what was the day? The day before yesterday, I had a loss on it, so I ended up lower than. Oh, where is my? I need to let me quickly do that. Oh, there we go. Okay, my trade evade account. Here is it. I'm at 506 now. I was at 600, remember? So I'm still lower than where I am, where I used to be. But anyway, it doesn't matter. As long as I don't lose it, it's fine. I said I wanted to get it to funded stage this week, but I don't know. Tomorrow no power, so I can't trade all day. I made a stream for also this session, but I'm not sure if I will be able to come on because the power outage is going to be from 6 a.m. in the morning until 8 o'clock at night. And it is now 7 o'clock at night. So, yeah. So that will, but anyway, we'll get nothing you can do about it, right? Life just gets in the way. Anyway, what are we looking at? Let me have a look here. Let us have a look. Are we now finally going here and maybe here? I like that actually, to be honest. I really like this level. Let me see if I can maybe frame a trade. What time is it now? It's 1:07. It looks like we're going, but on the other hand, it's 1:01. We had the news now. Let me just have a look. Gigi, please don't, please don't do that, please, my love. 9:53. I think I might, yeah, I think I might take a trade. I like this level here. So I think I'm gonna do it. The very, very tight stop. Oh shit. Sorry guys. Yeah, right on where we are here. I think I'm gonna do it because it's 1 o'clock. Very tight. And again, I'm gonna go for 30,000. If it stops me out, you see how small this stop is. I'm gonna go. Hold on, where's my level? One. gonna go with my old levels. Might stop me. I might be too early. That's okay. I still have to do it manually for some reason. I don't know why. Trade. Why are you giving me a hard time? Just one. Okay, I'll stop that. I'm gonna leave these here so I can get in very quickly. Still think we're gonna go higher. Let's do it. Oh, why did you do that? Wait until 1:30. Every night. Where are we at? Where are we? Yeah, I really like that level 30,000. 40-ish, but I wonder if it's going to take its time. Go lower back again. To the inch. If we start going lower again, then I guess I would like to see it going into the data wick back to 29,800. Maybe I prefer short, to be honest. Thinking of, oh wait, what time did it happen? I like the short. I don't know. I can see it go up here, but I can also see it go up here. I really don't know at the moment, to be honest. When in doubt, stay out, right? When in doubt, stay out. Yeah, I like 30,040, but also 803-ish. If I position myself here, I just got stopped out. Small loss. 25 bucks. That's okay, but I don't want a second one. And I just don't know. I never don't know. I don't feel confident to take the trade now. But if it's a short, this would be the perfect position, but it just doesn't look too. It looks a little bit too smooth, right? Uh-oh, but I like this area where it is, right? If it's a short, I like this area for it to go lower. But I just don't know if I'm right. I just don't know. It's such a difficult price action today. I had I was actually down further on that account. I had a winning trade, but I didn't go to my level. I just got out a little bit earlier. Um, and that was those levels that I was aiming for lower, and it just didn't go to 50% of the opening range gap. It didn't go to that 803 level that I was aiming for. That was also a 7 o'clock low. Um, mm, mm, I think I'm gonna leave this data with tomorrow. Let's see. What can we make of it? Let's see if I can find a nice level that I want to work on. It's conflicting for me. A little bit conflicting. I can make anything of it. I, li I like the upside. I like the downside. Let's see if I can. Can I use? What can I use for validation, invalidation? 2.5. I think it wants to go higher. For I mean, I would. I really like this level for a short, but it could easily spike up from here as well. I can see that there's no got liquidity, but it's a nice level. Yeah, I can't. I'm not confident enough to position myself. I don't want another loss. But I really like the level. I really like this level to push short, but I just. What do you guys think? See, I didn't position myself, and now it's run. Maybe it's been running, and I missed my opportunity. But it's just not. It's just not good enough. It's just too. See, I think it's going. Oh, you had your dinner as well. Yeah. Hey, Paras. Um. I like the long and I like the short. I don't want to position myself for the short from here, although I like this level a lot for a short. But I'm just, it's one past. It's, I mean, sorry, it's 1:15. Man, I hate it if it just if it goes wrong. I really like this 803 level, and I think somewhere from here I wanted to go to 803ish. I was actually aiming for these levels, and it just didn't reach it. So it's for me, it felt like it left these levels for now, but I just don't want to. It just doesn't seem like it's done here, so I'm just sort of like waiting. But I'm sort of feeling that I might miss my opportunity, but I'm not really. I don't feel confident for some reason. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Yeah, I don't know if I think about maybe at two. Well, let's see what price. Look, if it goes up to 30,000 ish and takes out these levels here, I will be more comfortable taking the short if it shows that it's so. But here is a little bit difficult, even though. Look at this price action, horrible. I technically never trade a 10-year bond auction until the afternoon anymore. but we've got equal lows on the 15 here. I really like the short, guys, but they could leave it for tomorrow or another time. We've got a order block here. Man, should I position myself? I don't want to position. Maybe I should paper trade this one. I haven't paper traded today at all. Let me paper trade this one to get into the. I need to feel more confident to take a trade. I don't want to take any trade. These were the levels I posted yesterday. I was aiming. Look here, where 830 high went to exactly 850. Boom. 910 and 950 were my two levels. 830. Boom. And I tried it twice yesterday. One in pre-market prep and one afterwards, which was both not working. And they left it for today. I'll take it off now because we're not using it anymore. There was TP2. This was TP1. Bye bye. Hey Trader Shop. As long as we're above 29,887, we will keep grinding to the quarterly pivots. Well, I would like that. I would like it to go to above 30,000, but I also like the 803 level. I don't know. Something tells me that it could go, that it's just creating liquidity and it could go lower from here. As long, if it doesn't activate this breaker, we could easily go lower. We have a body closure. I'll leave it on the 15. I think that will give me some insight. I'm so frustrated, guys. With the no water issue. I can't take a shower. And, I mean, I have enough drinking water, don't get me wrong, but can't do any washing. And also no power tomorrow again for over 14 hours. This is a planned outage. Today I had an unplanned outage. So it's a little bit frustrating, to be honest, after a long time. You can't smell me. That's a good thing. I can wash, but it's cold water. It's cold. But yeah, it's not a shower. It's some, you know, it's just annoying. And the weather, I mean, you know, it's sort of like winter, and winter just means cooler evenings, but warm daytime and not as much rain. And these 3 days were massive rains. It was just crazy. The rains have been just crazy here. So it's very cool. It's colder than normal. Yeah, and nobody. I think it's just there's some sabotage going on with the water. So it's very concerning actually. It's very concerning because we just have no water in the taps. Just no water. I mean, you're so used to just opening your tap and you have running water, but suddenly when it's not there, it's like really like, oh. But anyway. 3,275 is a target, but we won't know until, yeah. And also, I'm just wondering, because we've got PPI tomorrow as well, but it looks bullish, right? I would say it looks bullish, but I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't go over this level, that we go lower, but that would be very manipulative, I guess. I'm not surprised by anything anymore, especially because we've got so many wicks. Could easily wick back down again and do the same thing, right? Yeah, as long as we don't get over here. If we have a body closure on this one, I'll take a long. If not, I'll take a short. Hmm. Let me have a look. So much time distortion consolidation today. Um, 948. I can see it go to 950, but can it go higher than 950? That's a question. Is 950 above that 15 minute? 950. Yeah, if it's 950, we have a closure above. Well, it could also wick above this. We need a body closure above here, right? Not just a wick. 950 here. That is this liquidity. We can go here. Um, 37. For me, it's just base hits today. I mean, I am not really expecting any. My max will be 30,000, 40 if it wants to go up here, but I'm not expecting too much. I'm not aiming for 100, 200 point trades today. It's either this or it's this. It's one of these two, I think, but I just think we don't have. I don't know, but I mean, this has been a lot of back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. 10-year bond auction has been done. Maybe we can get some distribution. I don't know. Macpass, bonjour. Tu es de France? Daily candles still bullish, so as long as we stay above yesterday's highs and we go towards 30,275. Do you think we are going to go? We might reach that today in the New York PM. That would be awesome if we can get a nice run. Actually, let me have a look. Some other levels. I like 30,140-ish. If we could make a run, I would. That would be nice. But I really like body closure above 1930, and then above that, what was the other level? That 15-minute breaker. But I think once we go over 1930 with conviction, I think I can see us go higher. Look, guys, when you see 10-year bond auction in the news, price action, it's better just to close your laptop and don't look until 1 o'clock. I don't know, I still don't know what it is exactly, but it's always shitty price action, like back and forth, and it gets better after 1 o'clock. But sometimes it doesn't even get better after 1 o'clock. I don't know. I still haven't figured. It's a yellow folder. It's a yellow folder. Yeah, it looks bullish, right? But let's wait. Let's see. Let's wait and see. It's 6 minutes after you mean. I don't understand the question, Plus. 6 minutes after you mean. Is that from me? Are you asking me something? The trader shop, do you exactly know? I mean, I know ICT, I didn't know. And somewhere, I think it was in was it in a space or something that he said, yeah, when I see, and I didn't know about it because we are just, we are trained to only look at orange and red folder news. But I used to journal and I used to make a printout of all my news. And then I printed in my trading view and I put it somewhere. And then one time I heard ICT say, yeah, I don't even trade before 1 o'clock on 10-year bond auction. I'm not 10-year bond auction. Okay, let me go back in my journal. And my worst day normally is NFP Thursday. And then I noticed in my stats that my second worst day was those days because I was looking and like, oh, that's funny. So I went back and like, okay, 10-year bond auction, yellow folder. That's my second worst day. So now I'm aware of it, but I still haven't figured out what it exactly, why price action. Even you have CPI, so you have sort of like a relief, you would say, right? You have nice movement, so you think price is like has like had its laxative, so to speak. But then again, it goes back into this high resistance. So, and sometimes I believe this 10-year bond auction is with CPI. Sometimes it's not. So I haven't figured it out exactly, but I just know I have to be aware. Um, yeah, but yeah, no, um, yeah, everybody talks about liquidity, but I'm more into imbalances. I believe the imbalances come first, then comes the liquidity. And yeah, you're right. People hate A. They don't know when it's the M. I am a, I am at my best as a distribution trader, so I let the M go a lot of the times. And sometimes it still happens that I mistake the M for distribution, and then I'm sort of like, but you figure it out pretty quickly. But yeah, I love AMD, but yeah, you gotta embrace the A to get the M and the D. It's like a present. It's like the cherry on the top. There is no D without the A and the M. But I'm getting better at being patient. Um, so I am getting better with being patient. Yeah, it doesn't matter how you read the charts. If you find your way, it is what it is. Yeah, we all see the same candles, and we have to make some logic. You have to make logic out of the candles that you see, and some have this concept, some have this concept. But if you see the logic and the sequence and what, yeah. Oh no, don't make me speak French, please. It's too bad. I'm sorry, my friend. It's too bad. I can't really have a conversation in French. I do understand it. You can type in French, but I won't be able to reply. Um, so don't you can type vous pouvez répondre en français, mais je ne peux pas répondre en français. I hope you understood me. I hope I did not say something stupid. Tu me comprends? uh, I don't know. He's not responding. I don't know if he understood what I said. You know, I have some people that have Chinese speaking community member who's looking for also like a community where he can learn ICT, but it's hard to find a community that's similar to mine, or at least how I trade. He said that most of them are very aggressive in their trading style. Where's the Frenchman? Is he gone? I think I said something. Maybe my French was so bad that he went off. Maybe. Je suis désolé. Probably said something really weird. Okay, let's get back to the chart. Okay, you were saying Asia accumulated and manipulated while where's my Asia lines? I'm missing a lot of data on my chart. We're still, so it's 1:30. We still haven't gone over this area. I don't know. I can still. I still wouldn't be surprised if we. It just really depends if we can get over this level here. Where's my Asia? My Asia levels. Where's my levels? Hold on. I got data on this one. Why are you not showing? Look how ES. Geez, look at ES. That's really. Oh, beauty is so pretty. Look how pretty. So pretty. But this is also very pretty for a rejection block. I don't know. I wouldn't. You're so pretty. It's a beautiful artwork today, huh? Don't be. 13:37. I wonder if it's going to move. I think it will move after 10 past 2. It's going to keep on going. You know, I promise you that I didn't talk much. No, 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 it's not. No, you didn't talk much. I was just. Did I say something weird in French? That was. Did I say something weird now? See, now you make me. No, you can talk about any. I mean, you can talk whatever you want. It's sort of like price action is quiet. So no, no, no. I was just saying. Okay. Let me say it in English. I said you can write in French, and I will answer in English because my English is better than my French. I hope I was saying that. I think I said that. So you can type in French because I can understand. If I read it, I know, but I can't. I don't think I am when I have to focus on trading and speaking French. It's going to be difficult for me. But I can read it. I had French at school a long time ago, but yeah, you can just feel free to type in French, but you can just type whatever you want, But Mr. Illiquidity, actually, it's not a bad thing if you change your name to Mr. Liquidity, because illiquidity is actually has a little bit of a negative sound, right? I mean, if I'm also illiquidity, but liquidity is actually a little bit. Don't you think liquidity is a little bit better than illiquidity? Would you like to? How did you get your name? If we fail to hold previously high, it can be done or flip short on the retreat. Yes, I agree. Yeah, I would also take. I'm not gonna take the. I already have a small loss, so and I'm a little bit overwhelmed with everything going on. But I would do the same thing. I would also. Um, it looks more long than short to me. I would also do the same thing. And if you go in now, the risk is so little, doesn't it can't hurt you. I'll just wait a little bit longer. Yes, illiquid assets are hard to sell, but your name is illiquidity, right? Oh, okay, I get it. So you're hard to sell. Is that your point? So you are hard to sell. So once you have someone, are you like saying once someone has you, it's hard to sell you? Or am I? Hey, so guys, so tomorrow there won't be I can't do London. I can't do pre-market prep. I can't trade tomorrow. No, I know. It's not a big deal, I know. But I'm just wondering, sometimes there's always a nice story to people's names. They always have like, there's a story behind. I'm always very boring. I always use my first name. When I go into a room or Discord, I don't have any special names. So if people make up a nice name, I'm always interested. How do they? Sometimes there's a really nice story behind it. They're very creative. I'm not. So. Now, if we get over 90, 20, 21 at 45, it's going to be a long. I also might start getting. I really like 30, 40, but I think we can go higher as well. But I don't know if we have. Just today is so weird. I just don't know how much it will expand because tomorrow we have PPI as well. I'm just wondering if it wants to make more. Nothing else today. I used to like a New York PM session a lot to trade. Trader shop, do you always trade New York PM session? PPI, only nothing. What do we have in London? London 2 a.m. GDP, red folder. Ah. We're not over this level. See, I wonder. I'm just not so sure about that higher move. Let's see. We really need to go above this level here, about 920. We need to get a body closure above that 920 level. It just does not want to go yet. 147. If we start closing below 915, I actually might position myself for a short. Yeah, I know. I mean, I'm also like that. If it's a small risk, who cares, right? Just put it on. You risk 5 points or 10 points. If you get stopped out, who cares? Um, 150. You know, on days like this, sometimes you get one of these wicks after 1 o'clock, but it could be at 2, but it could be at 1, it could be at 3. You know what I mean? Okay, let's see what happens. If we start closing really below 915, I might position myself short, but I want a very small stop loss as well. So also one of those things, either it stops me out or it goes my direction, and I have only how many 5 points. 9:15. Let me go back. I'm going to go to the 1 minute now. And this is the level I'm looking at. And I want my stop loss is going to be here. I already have my stop loss. So I'll have to take it. I'm going to keep this here because I have to do it manually. For some reason, I can't do any OCO on this width. Okay. See, it's just wicking. It's no. I don't get a body closure below this level. If I get a body closure, I'm getting short. Yeah, I'm getting in. Let me see, what time is it? 49. Oh, I don't like the time. I don't want to spike back up. 9:15. It left an imbalance here. Okay, I'm getting in. Okay, I'm taking myself out. Yeah. Okay. 151. Still don't trust it. You don't want to go. I mean, this doesn't look like a short at all. It could be just a wick. I don't know. I'm not gonna long either. I can see it still go to 803 ish. Either it really needs to push, or it could also just, I don't know, I just don't trust this level here. There's something off with this position here. I don't like it. I prefer to short than long. And I can see exactly what you mean, but I don't like to long here. I would like to short it, but something is off for me. But I like the short. 803. I really like it. Um, I don't trust this area at all. Ah, man, I want to short so bad, but I can see it doesn't look like a short. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. But the level is just, I wish I got in here with my stop above it. Then I still wouldn't be stopped out here. This one is still holding here. I'm the moment I see, I want to short so bad, guys. I want to short so bad, but it's 100 points still lower. My TP is 803. I'm getting in. I'm doing it again. I have a short bias. Um, we need to break this very aggressively now, and my TP is going to be all the way here. It's going to be my trade. I'm going to add if my trade is going to work. I'm going to add when we go lower, but if not, it is what it is. I think actually it might go a little bit. I'm going to put my TP here. Might go one leg higher before lower. Still holding. Look at here. Mm, mm, mm. 924. Yeah, I'm gonna keep. This is gonna be my trade. 803. I think I can manage this. This is wrong. It needs to stay below 915. I can actually even raise my TP or my stop loss to 915, but I'm just afraid it might wick. I don't want to be stopped up by a wick. 26 points, good enough. I can. It's just one micro. I don't want to be stopped up by a wick. I would rather just be stopped out. I don't care. I just don't want to be wicked out. Are we fading each other? Yeah, I can see the long. I mean, it's 50. I mean, it's 50-50. It's sort of like almost a coin flip today because it can go long. I can see the long as well. I can also see it go higher and then lower after the 3 o'clock. So then it's not done, meaning it's objective. But I just like this level for the short. It's sort of like a really nice level from here. It can't go above 15, but I don't want to be wicked out, so I'm not lowering my TP. Oh, my stop loss, sorry. Okay, it's staying below 915. That's good for me. Now just start running, please. 2 o'clock. Hey Jay, oh my God, Jay, I'm so overwhelmed. I hadn't had water for a week, with one day in between that we had water. I had no power today. Um, Tomorrow I will be without power and no water uh, for the whole day. So I'm a little bit overwhelmed. You know, my house is dirty because I can't clean. I haven't had a proper shower. So it's all a little bit overwhelming, to be honest. But I did pass my driving exam, by the way, yesterday. And Saturday I threw this driving instructor out of my car because he was being a dick. He was horrible, and I threw him out. I never did anything like that. So it was very stressful. And then yesterday I had the driving test, and it was storming, it was raining, and I was soaking wet because the windows were open when I did the test. And then I had to wait 3 hours in the cold and in the rain to to go over the paperwork. So then they make the picture, and I look like a, you know, my hair is wet, and then this picture will be on my driving license for 5 years. So it's horrible. It's really horrible. And I was like freezing, so I was like sitting like this, and my hair was all wet, and this picture was like, oh my God. I'm like, okay. Anyway, I passed. So yeah, man, it was hell, guys. But yeah, I'm a little bit overwhelmed, to be honest, by this whole situation. It's a little bit too much to deal with, but you know, but nothing we can do. Just accept and just, you know. I think I'm gonna lower my risk to, if I get stopped out, I don't care. I just want to have minimal risk, and I'll get back in whatever. So I'm going to lower it right now. If it takes me out, I don't care. It's so little. I love small risk. I just um how much points is this? Oh, 27. Come on, start moving your ass down. I've been waiting. This was a trade I was actually trying to. I took a trade from here and I was aiming for this level and 803. It didn't go, so I said, okay, NQ, I'm coming back for you. So here we go, 803, but I put it at 805. F you. I don't care if I get stopped out. It's okay. You see how little my stop is? It doesn't do me anything. It doesn't bother me. I used to be very different with these. I want it to be right. I do want to be right. I don't like it but if I feel confident in a trade and I'm just too early, or because I can also see the long, I don't mind if I'm being stopped out. Then I just know the time is not right. But I do feel confident in the trade, to be honest. But I wouldn't mind if I'm being stopped out. Okay, when it goes below this area, I'm gonna add to the position. Or no, I'm not gonna add. I'm too tired for that. I mean, it's almost a 100-point trade if it works out. So it's okay. I'm too tired. I'm really overwhelmed by everything, to be honest. Guys, think about no water. You can't do any washing. I don't have any clean sheets anymore because it's already a week. I can't flush the toilet. I get water from friends, and you can't take a proper shower. You can't wash your hair. Think about it, having no water at all. I mean, yeah, we can have enough water for drinking. You can buy stuff, but it's just more of the basics, right? I can't clean my house. You can't do the dishes. You can, but it's all minimal. Everything is minimal, and then you run out, and then you have to get. It's great. I never really. I had since I lived in South Africa. I had issues with water, but not like a whole week. Are you still in? Are you already stopped out Trader Shop, or are you still in? It could still go higher. I'm still prepared to be stopped out. If it still goes after 10 past 2, I'm okay. Otherwise, I'm still. Technically, my stop now is, if it works, here. What are you going to do? What are you going to do, NQ? Are you going to give me my trade or not? I've had such a bad week. Actually, I can't complain because I passed my driving test. But come on, NQ. Give me something to make me happy today. Make me a happy girl. I think it's going to wick me out or something and then still go low or something like that. I wouldn't be surprised. It's so slow. I hate it slow. This looks like London, guys. I remember. Hi, Jay. How have you been doing, by the way? Have you been? How's your trading going? Have you been trading London lately or Asia? You trade Asia a lot, don't you? Yeah, 211. There we go. There, yeah. Why is my stop loss not being? 212. So low, lower. Let's see. 213. What are you doing? Hmm. It's still below that 915 level. I still think it's going to go lower, but I just don't know what time it will start doing its thing. But or it just needs to start pushing. I told you I'm going to be stopped out and then wouldn't be surprised if it still runs. This could go on for quite a while, this back and forth. If it doesn't run at this time, I'm just wondering if we have to wait another half an hour for accumulation. And I still believe in the short. I still have my short bias. I just don't think it's gonna run. Now I'm getting annoyed because I don't know if I get in now, my stop is gonna be wider. I still believe in my short. Not sure if I'm. Oh, am I missing something? I like staying below that level. It's staying below that level. Actually. What time is it? 17. I think it's just going to be very fast and furious to the downside. It's going to be hard to get in, but it could also just go back up. I think I'm going to wait until 3 o'clock. I think at 3 o'clock we might have both our trades. Boom, boom, something like that. Or boom, boom, I don't know. I still believe in the short. Oh god, I want to get in so bad, but I just don't want to be stopped out again. Maybe I should paper trade this now. I like that 803 level so much. Man, I shouldn't have, this is my mistake. I should not have moved my stop loss. I should have left it here. I would not have been stopped out. No. Okay, if it goes below that volume imbalance, I'm getting back. Then I just 14, 18. Oh, where's my book? I need time. I need my time. Grand Diron ensemble, si vous le voulez. Oh, I have to. I thought I would understand the French, but I don't actually. I need my Google Translate. What time is it? I think it's just going to futz around a little bit until 2:45. Well, what a session to choose. I'm going to take some candy. I'm so depressed with the no water thing and the no electricity that I'm just going to eat candy now. It's really bad. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Grandirons ensemble si vous voulez bien. Grand. Vous avez raté le trade. This was my trade here. I got stopped out. If I wouldn't have moved my stop loss to here, I would still be in the trade. But I moved it because I didn't want to lose money. So I got stopped out by just 2 or 3 points. But I'm just going to wait now. Because I wouldn't be surprised if, but I wonder if the high, I think maybe this is like a level of liquidity that it might. Oh man, I like this level so much, 803. I'm missing something. Where's my 402? When the 9-minute looks like this. Equal, equal, equal. I'm gonna get this away. I still. Let's see if we can make anything out of this, out of these levels. I haven't used these octants as much as I should, so I'm still practicing with them. Vous avez raté le trade. I don't understand raté, the word raté. I'm doing one more. I'm gonna give it one more go. Yeah, I'm gonna give it one more go. What time is it? It's a little bit early, but okay. Such a small stop loss. Oh no, this is wrong. It's gonna be a buy. Yeah. Um. The only thing that worries me that is that I can be wicked out before it could still do this for 45 for half an hour. Because it's creating liquidity here. It keeps on going. It keeps creating liquidity. Keeps creating liquidity. But I just don't want to miss the short if it just starts running. Hmm. I think I'm going. You know what? I'm going back in the short. I'm just thinking of. I still like the short, but I think what's going to happen is a wick up here, maybe up to here, and then go short. I'm getting back in. I am short biased, definitely. I'm not in. I don't want a long anymore, but I want to get in later on. But I think it's just going to just wick. We're gonna get a wick or something. I don't know. But if it goes lower, I'll get back in straight away. But I have a short bias, but I don't want to be. I just think it's gonna wick up here, take this liquidity, and then go. Ah, man, I don't know what. It's. I hate it when I don't know timing. It's 2:30. Let me see. It's just look at this. It's just too. They're gonna F the longs and the shorts. If you're too early now, I'll get back in. I want to see that manipulation move. Look, this is not a normal It's not done to the downside. I don't think we're done to the downside. Oh, ligt nu lekker te slapen, mijn poepoe. Oh, hallo. Hallo. Hello. I'm still long. Are you still long? Yeah. I like it when when we have different traits. I think we're both gonna be right, to be honest. Um, it's just a matter of which one is gonna be first. Where are my socks? Um, where? I'm so cold. Oh, here. I need to put on. Just let me know if there's too much noise. I'm putting the heater on. Donner un chiffre. Ah, oké, oké. Aux États-Unis, je pense que augmenter. Oh, I have no higher bond trade up to. Thank you. I don't think sorry, my French is really not that good. I thought I would understand, but I don't. I don't understand half of what you're saying. I'm sorry. I don't think I understand. See, it's a good thing I got out, right? I don't know if it does. If my trade would work out, I like 803s, but maybe even lower, 780ish. But I also like it to the upside. But I just don't. I just don't know. I just don't. Hmm. We'll see. Next macro. Cool. Cool. How does the daily look? Let's have a look at the daily indeed. Mm. 29,909. Yeah, for me it's 915ish. We're above 915 now. Hmm, 20. Okay, let's see next 4 minutes. 9:18ish. See, it's not push. There's no follow through. Now I like it more because now we took that liquidity here, but how much higher does it want to go? I still like the short. I still like it. I still like it. What time is it? 2:42. Let's see at 45 where price is. If it really starts pushing now, then my short is out of the window. It's bye bye. Just like London, New York PM session is a lot of waiting as well. What time is it? Almost 45. Important. And now I don't want it to be over 1919. No body closure above 1920. Let's see. If it starts pushing over 20, then my short is out the window. If we start going lower, I might enter again in short again. It's 14:45. 4:45. 15-minute candle. Either you push or you don't. Rejection. I don't like the rejection though. It's going to be a long way down if it's going to go down. I'm gonna put my stop above this one so it can wick one more time higher if it wants to. Okay, let's see now. Come on. We need to start pushing now. Either up or down, I don't care. That's a little bit early, 40:47. We're gonna go all the way here now. Let's see what price is doing. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. I have to sleep in Asia, unfortunately. I wish I did not have to sleep in Asia. Okay, let's see now. This price section is just so. It takes such a long time before either you are is going to shows its hand. Come on. Come on, give us some large candles now, please. Be patient. Just drop now. I will add, same thing. I will add if we go below this. I'll add one. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna add a position if we get below this because it's 100 points. Um, Come on, start dropping my baby. Come on, baby. NQ, I love you. I love you so much. NQ, I love you. I love you. Give me my trade. I can't wait for Asia, my friend. I need to sleep. Well, actually, I should be. You know what? Actually, trade a shop because I have a power issue. I should just actually keep on trading in Asia and stay awake. And then when I have no power tomorrow morning, and then I go back to bed. Maybe it's a good idea. But I believe the short is now, to be honest. Obviously, I believe that because I'm in a bloody short. But hey, maybe I should just stay awake and just watch movies and be very tired so tomorrow I can sleep. So I'm just going to watch some TV, movies, a trade, and then by the time it's the power goes off, then I just go to bed, I guess. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe I should trade this and then just, exhaust myself. Yeah, because I've got um, yeah, I can do that. Are you hopping on my on my short now? Are you getting in my short? Do you are you still think it's gonna go long? I'm a little bit afraid to add to why? Because of the I'm afraid it could still wick up, but I still believe in my short and my level. I'll just do it one micro. It's okay. I'm gonna also go to break even or a little bit lower. Um, I didn't want to have the same bullshit that I get being stopped out. Last time I got stopped out because I would have been stopped out anyway, so it was a good decision. Okay, there we go. See, now it gets wiki. Now I'm a little bit nervous. What time is it? 3 o'clock. Just leave it. Come on. Don't be a pussy. I hate when I do that. Come, go down now. I nailed 300 points from Asia, so I didn't need much. Yeah, I mean, just take what the market gives you. Oh, guys, I'm just gonna let this play out or not. It's too slow just to stay on, I guess. Just want to let it either run or do its thing. I will keep you posted, guys. If anything changes in the electricity issue, I will let you know. Then I'll be obviously do my London stream. If not, I'll do another stream tomorrow this time because I do like this time. So yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you Trader Shop. Thank you Paras if you're still here. Jay if you're still here. Thank you guys for just hanging out with me. I'll keep you posted if anything changes, but for now it looks pretty bad. For now it looks like I'm gonna be all by myself tomorrow morning with no water and no power. So wish me luck, guys. So yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully in London, but I don't think so. I don't think I'll have power. So hopefully the day after. So that's already Friday. Oh my God, it's the end of the week already. I can't believe it. Is it? What day is it today? Wednesday, right? So tomorrow Thursday, then Friday. Yeah. So everything will be back to normal. Hopefully Thursday, power-wise, not the water. So. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you then Friday or tomorrow PM session again. Thank you, guys, and thank you Trader Shop for your comments and your sharing of your trades. So I'll see you back. Ciao, ciao.